Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to continue mocking up the turbo system. Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell to stay up to date with this build. With that being said, let's get into it. Alrighty boys, so we need to add the intake onto this so we can see where we can run some pipes. So I'll put the water crossover on, so that gets a bit of height for some pipes through here, and we've got to get the intake on, so TGVs, rails, and my nice beautiful black intake. So I'll probably end up taping up some of the sections with that blue tape there, just so I don't scratch them up. Alright boys, so I have the crossover pipe there. So this is actually pretty dirty, so what I might do is actually take off the sensor, the water tip sensor, and take that one to work and put it through the hot wash, which you would have already seen it go through the hot wash with the new block. So we're kind of, this is the same, I'm recording this the same night as I just cleaned up the new block, so tomorrow we'll be cleaning that up. But, yeah, I don't think we'll be sending any pipes through here. If I can rotate the turbo just a little bit more up, we should be good to get the hot side of the pipe out, and I'll be able to get my Cobra onto that. So yeah, we'll get the TGVs and the rails, injectors, and my painted black intake on. So we'll disregard this for now. I don't think we'll need it. If I do decide that I need to run some pipes through here, then I'll make sure I take the intake off and put this back on. Alright boys, so we have the Grimspeed Philonic spacers. Got gaskets on both sides of that. Now for the TGVs. Big reveal. Yeah, we got some Radium TGV deletes and rails and injectors. Guess you didn't see that coming. Pretty sure you did. Anyway, let's unbox these. Obviously I've already had a look at them. They are a nice piece of work. The TGV deletes, I believe, are the last in the country. Yeah, I believe they're the last in the country. They are actually the dual injector TGV deletes, so we can run 8 injectors if we need to, if I want to. The only thing I didn't get the dual rails, so it's all good. Hopefully we can get them later on down the track if we do need them. Yeah, just some forward thinking with these. Let's get these out of these little fishnets and show you. Okay, so it comes with gaskets. We've already got some gaskets that are stuck to the phalanx spaces. We do have spares if we need them. It comes with mounting hardware as well, but I don't know if I'll be able to use it because I've got the spaces. We'll see. Alright, so there is TGV delete. So where the green is, that's your normal length injector, stock size one. And then this one up here, boop, is a short one. So my 1300cc ones can go on the top one because you can't make them shorter. But I'm just going to make them into the normal ones. And yeah, we'll see if we can mount these up with the hardware that they provided. These look nice. A lot more slimline too. Look at the gap there to get some piping through. And we've got enough for the little boost nipple. That's awesome. Let's try to bolt these down. Alright boys, so next up we will put the injectors in. Alright boys, we have the Radium fuel rails, so we need to just see how these go on, see how I need to fit the injectors. It's a very nice piece of work too, again the nice protective netting. I'm sure you've all seen it before, these are pretty common. Nice. Whew, coming together. They're in there. It's good. Haven't got these two bolts on just yet. Yeah. Mint. Do the other side. That's the important side. Alright boys, we've got the TGV deletes. We've got the 1300cc injectors in. We've got the Radium rails on too. So now, I might put the Cobra onto the front here, and then we'll put the intake on. Right boys, we have run into some trouble. Well, not only is it coming damn close to the breather there, but I can't get the Cobra on. So I don't know if it sticks out more here or what, because I remember having the Cobra on there when I had both of them up the top, like here. So yeah, sorry about that light behind me. Let's turn that around. We'll have to go twin rotated. That means custom up part. So if I can rotate that a bit, have like the Cobra here. Oh, jeez. So if I have that rotated Cobra there, then we will most likely have that spun around and have the intake of the... Oh no. It's not going to plan. Let's get the actual intake on and we'll have a look. A little look-sees. Should be able to get to the bolts. I don't think I had all of them in there. Yeah, I do. So I just went to mount my intake and I forgot I still had the tape on it. That's wondering why I couldn't get the bolt through the holes. I've always got the intake on finally. On the TGV deletes, there's the bolts that screw through here. You can actually change around, so they're offset to one side and they're the wrong way, so I just swap them over. So yeah, obviously I'm missing those two because they used to be nuts on the original TGVs, so I need to find some more bolts for them, which shouldn't be too hard. Yeah, pretty much. It feels like there's so much more room. I don't know what, maybe because I don't have the water reservoir, the water crossover. Let's see if I can slide it in that way. Couldn't get it in through the back, it just went in through the front. I feel like I've got so much more room. Maybe the power steering tightens up this area a lot. Look at that, that's huge. Might quickly measure these TGV deletes, see the height on them. So the originals. No, they're the same height. Maybe it is the power steering that really blocks it. Also, I don't have the wiring through there too. So, see how that goes. So yeah, you've seen my intake set up now. So what I'm going to do is just tape off fuel rails so nothing can get in there. And yeah, I'm going to have to think about how I'm going to do this. I might have to have it come through here, and if I've got the GT35 somewhere around here, I might try that actually. Yeah, I'm going to tape up the Radium, so if I hit it with the GT35 it'll be okay. Oh my god, I just realized the power steering that I couldn't get in down there was actually the one that's got the length on it, so they're all good. For some reason I thought it was the other one. So this can just, it's going into the engine. Ah! Yeah, that's awesome. I was getting worried. It's perfect. Alright, so lots of vacuum lines. I'm going to deal with some electricals. Alright guys, looks a bit different to the last scene. It's been a few days. I've tried so many different options with putting the GT35 up there. The only way I could do it is to do it exactly the same as what I did before, and I think I'm going to go a different route for easier tuning. So we should be able to make some big power still. Yeah, just hang on, I'll definitely show you what I'm going to be doing, but it's going to take a little while to figure it out. So I'm just going to leave this episode here. Sorry to cut it off like that, but yeah, if you enjoyed this episode and you're pretty keen to see what that fuel system can do, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell if you haven't yet, and I'll catch you next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye.